unboxing of the Lenovo Tab 4, which I got for my car. So what I'm doing now is I'm upgrading the tablet, and we're going to be doing the unboxing of this tablet for you guys and going through the first reviews of it and also having a look at the features. So come along and join me. Let's see what this tablet's about. Alright, so let's open up this box and see what the packaging is like inside. This came yesterday from Technot, and I'm going to be checking out the packaging as well as the tablet itself. So let's have a look. Okay, so we don't need that. Let's have a look. That's the box that it comes in, all nicely packaged, still closed. Let's open it up. Okay, let's do this. Peel this plastic off. Got one side. Really? Okay, so let's see what is in the box. We've got the Lenovo Tab 4 8-inch. We've got some documentation papers, safety and warranty quick start guide, some other documentation. We've got important product information. We've got our charging block. So let's see, let's get this tablet set up. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to skip the SIM card installation for now, because I'm going to be doing that afterwards. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to connect to the Wi-Fi network and let's see if we can do the copying of the data over. The new tablet is installed in its position. It looks much cleaner than the old one. I will put a picture of the old one up later on. But yeah, it's basically looking much neater, much better fit than the old one. And yeah, it's looking really good.